YouTube, another video. Just got back from the big box store and I have an upgrade. Let's get right into it. So what we have here is a brand new Magnum ProX17. If you guys know my other videos, I pretty much have always used a Magnum X5. They're tough little machines, go a long time. They go way more gallons than they're rated for. And I assume that this one will too. This puts out a few more gallons per minute, and is a little faster. And it's also got a feature that you can just swap out a pump pretty easily with this instead of having to take the whole thing apart. And that really sold me on this one. One of the biggest features here with this ProX17, and the ProX19 is the same way. It has a ProXChange Pump Replacement System. It's a lot easier to do than, say, a Magnum X5. It's pretty quick. You can do it right on the job. All the tools are basically on the machine. So I did get an extra pump. So I got another pump too. It's I think around 70 bucks. The machine is 519 bucks. That's what I bought it for. Yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Congratulations! So nice. So here's your hose and your gun. And this new tip, which I've never tried one, so that'll be interesting. One thing I can tell you for sure is that this is a lot heavier than the X5. It's got to be, I bet it's close to 40 pounds, but so here it is out of the box, brand new, pretty slick. It's pretty heavy, especially compared to the X5. I mean, you can move it around, but it's definitely heavier. This pump liner comes with it, quick flush thing. That's part of the pump liner. New tip. The congratulations. Register online. Blah blah blah. And then the Magnum quick guide. It's got all your setup and startup, spraying, and cleanup, storage, reversible tips, and then everything in Spanish, I believe. So yeah, that's what came in the box. It's 50 feet worth of hose, an SG3 gun, a 515 TrueAirless. It's a different type of tip than usually comes with like an X5. So one of the nice features that I thought was definitely an upgrade in this machine is this quick change pump. And with this ProX17, you can slide this up. So that slides up and that exposes the pump right here. Here's the piston for the pump. And this thing just slides right out. And then it's got a little tool on the back that you can, it's got a little wrench tool that you can stick this in and turn the whole thing. Pop out the pump, put in a new pump, close it up and lock it down, and you're spraying again. That's a heck of a lot faster than changing a pump on an X5, but you know, if you're not going to use it that terribly much, and you know, we've been basically using that X5 for commercial purposes for quite a while, and this is a lot faster and it's worth it to me. It might not be, if you're planning on spraying, you know, 400 or 500 gallons, an X5 will be just fine for that. The pump will last at least that as long as you take care of it. But this system here is real slick and I can't wait to try it. Not that I want to replace any pump anytime soon, but so there you go. Graco. super excited to use this. I'll have it out actually I'll have it out tomorrow working on the barn that we're working on. So I hope you stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, check this thing out. See ya.